Look at this color. Bright orange, jet black stripes. It should be the worst camouflage on Earth. Tigers hunt inside green forests, surrounded by green leaves and green grass. To us, that orange screams for attention. But tigers aren't hiding from us. Their prey sees a completely different picture. Deer, wild boar, sambar deer. The animals tigers actually hunt. Almost all of them are red-green colorblind. They have two types of color receptors in their eyes. We have three. That third receptor is the one that lets humans see orange as orange. Without it, orange and green collapse into nearly the same shade. To a deer, a tiger lying in tall grass doesn't look orange at all. It looks like a patch of muted brown-green, blending straight into the undergrowth. The stripes do something else entirely. They're not really about color. They're about shape. Vertical black bars break up the outline of the tiger's body. They scatter the edges of fur and legs into 100 meaningless lines. A prey animal's brain is wired to spot shapes, not patches of color. Break the shape, and the brain stops seeing tiger at all. This camouflage isn't an accident. It's chemistry. Orange fur comes from a pigment called pheomelanin. Black stripes come from a different pigment called eumelanin. In 2021, researchers at Stanford identified the exact gene controlling this pattern. It's called TACPEP. A single mutation in that gene decides where the black goes and where the orange stays. Tigers evolved this exact combination over roughly 2 million years. Every generation, the cats with the best hidden coats caught more prey. The ones that stood out simply starved. So the color was never random. It was selected, generation after generation, by animals that can't even see it as orange. Which brings us back to that zoo enclosure. When you look at a tiger against green grass and think, that camouflage makes no sense, you're right. For you, it doesn't. You have three types of color receptors. Trichromatic vision. The same vision that lets you read this sentence. That vision was never the one tigers needed to fool. The camouflage was built for prey that sees the world in shades of blue and muddy yellow-green. To them, that obvious orange disappears completely. The tiger isn't wearing the wrong camouflage. It's wearing the right camouflage for an audience that has never included us.